The hangers are transferred, as you can see. It looks really, really good. So those are ready to go. And this is relatively light, so it's going to be easy to rehang. Now, this is in two sections. So when you hang one side, you know, these two pipes are separate. Don't forget the clamp. So as you start to lay out the new parts, go ahead and lay out the clamps that come with it so you have the right clamp in the right place, right? So you have 2.5, you have 3-inch clamps. Lay them all out in the right places. And don't tighten that down yet, but when you hang this, you can take this end, you can fit it in, you can tighten it, you can snug it up just a little bit so it hangs straight. And then we'll get that next section up from here up next. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, the pipe is in place, and I just want to share a couple of tricks. So I fed it in from this end, so moving towards the front of the car. You can kind of snake it in. The pipe is relatively straight. Now, if you notice, I don't have the hanger on right here, and that's really important, because I was able to feed it in, and then with the hanger right here, the hanger is now on this side, sticking this direction. So you feed it in and feed it in where you can get it just past the frame element right here. And then if you notice the gap, do you see the gap right here? So once you get the post of the hanger past, you can turn the pipe, and that frame hanger will come through that gap right there between the frame and the heat shielding. You can turn it, you crank it around until it's pointed the opposite direction, and then just feed it the rest of the way up. Now you can put the hanger on in the correct orientation and go ahead and put the nut back on to hold that hanger in place.